Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring two crucial concepts in system design and performance: throughput and latency, and why they matter for software and network design. So, first, let's start with throughput. So, what is exactly a throughput? Throughput is all about quantity. How many requests or transactions can your system handle per second? For example, an e-commerce site might process hundreds of orders per second during a flash sale. The higher the throughput, the more work your system can handle in a given time. Okay, so what is latency? So let's assume that we have client, and client sends requests to the servers and the server sends back the responses. So the latency, on the other hand, measures speed and responsiveness. It's the delay between sending the requests and getting the response. If a user clicks buy now and has to wait, that's latency in action. Low latency equals quick responses. High latency equals noticeable lag or delays. Okay, what is the relationship or what is the relationship between the latency and throughput? While throughput is about how much work can be done, latency is about how quickly each piece of work is processed. A system can have high throughput but also have high latency if it processes a large volume of tasks, but each one takes a while to complete. Conversely, a system can have low latency on average requests, but if it can only handle a small number of requests at once, its throughput might be quite limited. Okay, what is the trade-offs? Let's take some examples. Sorry, what is the trade-offs? High throughput and low latency. Like some systems prioritize throughput, like batch data processing, which can tolerate slightly higher latency if they can handle massive volume of data. Number two, low latency and high throughput. Like real-time applications like gaming or financial trading prioritize super low latency. They might not process an enormous volumes of requests, but each request must be lightning fast. And there is balancing both. Like many online services, aim for both decent throughput and low latency to keep users happy and handle large workloads efficiently. So in practical terms, think of streaming video platforms. They need high throughput to serve millions of streams simultaneously, but also they need as well low latency. So users don't wait too long for playback to start. Balancing both is key to to a smooth user experience. Okay, what are the tips and tricks to optimize that? We can use caching and load balancing, like can improve both throughput by offloading repeated requests and latency by reducing round trips. Efficient algorithms and hardware like faster data processing can lower latency and increase throughput simultaneously. System architecture like microservices, distributed systems, or serverless architecture can help scale throughput but also need careful design to keep latency in check. Optimizing these metrics often requires looking at entire stack from your network and database to your application code and hardware resources. So, to wrap it up, throughput measures how much work a system can handle over time, while latency measures how fast each individual request gets processed. Balancing these two metrics is crucial for smooth, scalable user experience. So, if you enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video, and see you guys in future videos.